It's like things cast would never say out loud. The first one is, if your love life were a song, any song, वो क्या होता?
They would never say it.
Would never say out loud. You won't say
For
it.
Damini, it would be, she would never say so easy to fall in love.
Alright.
For Damini, she would never say messy.
And what about you? If your love life was a song.
Controlling.
What
As a character or as a person?
You figure that.
We'll keep the fans guessing.
As me
Your love life were a song.
or as in me, Kunal.
Yeah.
Love life.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm like stumped with it.
Nothing's going to stop us now.
And
Cheesy and
you are the
nice.
one.
Oh no.
Come be the man that I need.
Okay, so
I
5
mean,
synonyms of pyar. Quick, somebody.
Mohabbat.
Ishq,
Love.
dosti.
Yeah. दोस्ती
I think
is
उसको हमें
the
ऐड करना चाहिए.
ये बहुत कम लोग बोलते हैं दोस्ती as a
दोस्ती,
synonym,
exactly.
Cinnamon.
synonym for love.
Okay, so what's your brain's signature drink? We're talking about shots. Some drink, you know, which.
Red wine.
All right.
Tequila.
Tequila.
I'm a beer person.
Me too.
I don't
not
drink.
really. Non-alcoholic beer.
I don't drink, so Diet Coke.
You're playing safe.
No,
We actually
I don't.
I don't remember.
Rum.
All right. So I want you to remember your very first heartbreak, and you know, how did you cope up with that? You know, first heartbreaks are always silly. I mean, we are not really ready for that, and then coping mechanism, it totally sucks.
You know, I was broken, like shattered into little pieces, and then dhire dhire it was put back together. But what was put back together, you know that kintsugi in Japanese, like
Yeah, yeah,
kushute, then when the cracks you fill with gold, and it's a better version, at least I think so. And it really helps you as an artist and as a director, as an actor. Heartbreak, भाई सबको होना चाहिए. मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि go out like the film Rockstar and go get heartache. पर होता है ना, so eventually it helps you only.
And also, you know what, nowadays, what people are doing, they're not discussing their relationship problems with their friends. What they're doing, the chat GPT thing, they're putting it on the chat GPT. Hi, my guy has done this. I was in metro and my friend, I was just right next to her. I just peeped into her phone and that's a bad thing. But like, what are you doing? then she's like, you know, he ghosted me last night. He was out. I saw his friend's stories. He did not. And I'm like, dude, I am sitting right here. And the chat GPT's reply was, he's a man child. Leave him. मैंने कहा, did you hear? आपने सुना उसकी बात? So now I want to understand what is the situation of love relationships in today's day and age.
What an
I mean,
interesting
is this
question.
series also inspired? I mean, have you taken the trends as well?
Like, I would begin with one of the trends is dating apps. Like, where do you find new people in life today, right? Like, wohi your school, college pool is less and all of that.
People are using it as a business tool as well.
Yeah,
They're making clients out of it.
but still, you are still the ones who are actually looking for love/lust, you know, whatever you're looking for. It's an important track in Bani's character and very contemporary, right? I know apps have been there for a while, but exploring and meeting new people, so we've used that. And apart from that, the messiness of relationships, and I've often wondered, like, about today's relationship love scene. Like, I'm a millennial, and when we were growing up, whenever we fell in love or out of it, the heart broke. First it was so like, oh, everything's so nice. Like, all those phases.
Recorded tapes.
Yeah, it was all so intense. Like, so sometimes I feel like, is Gen Z sometimes afraid to fully put themselves out there, and the girls this season have sort of realized it. Ki, you know, do not let your own flaws or shortcomings or insecurities prevent you from going for the joy. Kyunki beech mein ho jayega heartbreak, but just take it like in your
And
in
don't
your
lose
stride.
yourself, you know, in this whole process. So
and
that
all
is
these
what-
things like ghosting and all, हमारे time नहीं होता था. At least मेरे साथ इतना नहीं हुआ है. Means I don't think, you know, it was like, okay, if you're breaking up, then you say it, and more communication. Like this whole chat GPT or everything, it's finally I feel doing something that's not amazing to your love and romance.
But you have, the person has given the access, so that is the main issue, I think. If somebody is typing all these things.
Yeah.
You know,
So
when
also-
you said, how did you cope with your first...
Yeah.
In my head, my voice, like, right away answered it that the first heartbreak, I didn't cope. You
Yeah.
don't, till you start sharing. And more than what love looks like right now for the younger generation, what worries me is what friendship looks like. Because that seems to be with, social media the way it is, with kind of in every corner of your life, and that's fine, the world has changed. And that's what is very nice about the show, to constantly kind of keep coming back to that core truth in friendships.
Yeah.
Because there's no other way out. And the more you share, you realize I'm not the only loser,
Yeah.
who's gone through
There are
this.
multiple
So have
of
you,
them.
so have you.
Yeah.
And then, you feel less alone, and then before you know it, you've coped.
Yeah. So Kunal, I want to understand from you your move on mantra, like the move on mantra you would want people to know, so that
I've only been in one relationship my whole life. So I don't know what it means to have a move on mantra. I don't have one. When I need one, I'll let you know what it is.
He's the kind of audience that finds former shots unrelatable.
Yeah, so I don't have a move on mantra. I mean, if it's not from a relationship, and generally in life,
In
it's
life,
like, it's like, don't stress the little stuff, like that's it.
and
yeah.
watch shows like Momo shows.
Yeah, and watch shows like Former Shots
Binge.
on
Also-
Amazon Prime.
Yeah. So ever accidentally liked your ex's post?
Sorry?
Ever accidentally liked your ex's post?
Yeah, the question not for Kunal.
Not for
Yeah.
not for you now, not for you.
Y'all-
No, very consciously not liking.
Have you?
No,
Right.
I'm very careful. That's wrong, I'll make
Yes.
sure that doesn't happen. And even if it does, I learn very early. If you immediately unlike it, the notification doesn't come. Yeah. But you have to be really quick.
But that's at your own risk. I mean, you really
It's
can't
very
say
risky, yeah.
the mobile data is
High
off,
risky.
and then.
So now you can do it.
The most embarrassing thing a girl has ever done for you, or most sweet thing, something, I mean, which you can never forget, Rajiv.
Wow, I can't remember
Some
now.
thing was
proposals,
sweet, but
some
you were
fan
embarrassed.
messages, something.
Like, I think I was in Kalimpong